Okay, today we're gonna make an Aperol Spritz. It is the drink of Italy.
And it's really hot and humid here in Sicilia, so a spritz is always the best thing to cool you down. Oh my gosh.
An Aperol Spritz is made with a liqueur called Aperol. It's a bright orange sweet liqueur that has the slight bitter taste of an orange peel. The Aperol Spritz is generally drank as an aperitif all over Italy.
As you see, everywhere we go, I order one, and they're really easy to make. Fun fact, this bottle of Aperol in America costs like $28, and in Italy it costs like 4 or 5 euro, which is like $6 or $7. So first you get your ice. I like mine really icy. And then I'll put the recipe at the top. You pour a little bit of the Aperol. I'd say equal parts of Aperol and Prosecco. And then you just top it off with a splash of soda water. And then that's it. You give it a stir if you want. Orange slice is typical. I don't have an orange slice on me, but that's really all there is to it. And oh my gosh, it's so tasty. Oh, so good. And that's how you make an Aperol Spritz.
Cheers! Buon appetito!